is not my first impression. This is a full-fledged review of this product. Today we'll be reviewing the Prolixer Perfect Skin Detoxifying C. Algae Mask. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos of fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIY and a lot more. And in this video we are going to talk about Prolixer Detoxifying C. Algae Mask, and I'm going to give you my real and honest reviews like always. And in next 5 minutes I am going to tell you A to Z of this product. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the packaging first. This is how it comes. So it comes in a pink box with Prolixer branding, yeah. And you just open it, and when you open, there's a personalized note for me. Hi Mohini, you're gorgeous and we want you to be looking like this forever. Prolixer. And this is how the packaging of the mask is, and this also comes with a very nice brush. This is how the brush looks like. I have saved the packaging just so I can show you guys how the packaging looks like. Otherwise my mask is not in this, my mask is rather with me right here. So let's talk about the packaging and what it claims on the packaging. So it is a basic normal cardboard packaging. Perfect Skin Detoxifying C. Algae Mask. Deeply hydrate, detoxify and brighten, protect against pollution, tighten pores and boost radiance. And it is non-mean, tested on animals, so it's vegan. That's really good. It retails for 1490, that is 1500, and the best before date is for 24 months. Now let's come to the bottle. I really like this sturdy packaging. This is a glass jar, and this also has like a mirror thing like here, and I really like this packaging. This feels very luxurious. And let me tell you, this is not my first impression. This is a full-fledged review of this product, and I have been using this for around 3 weeks now, and I have used, I'll just show you. So once you open this shisha jaisa dhakkan, there's one more like lining right here, and as you can see, ये मास्क ऊपर तक भरा हुआ था and it's like half used right now. And ये I guess 4 to 5 uses, शायद 4 uses होंगे इसके अंदर सिर्फ. And I have used most of this mask, and now it's the right time to give you my reviews about this mask. So let's talk about the texture first. This texture of this mask is like a clay, and like it is a clay mask, and when you apply on your skin it does not feel stretchy or something like that. For applying this, just take this out, use your brush and just apply it evenly on your face like I'm doing right here. So just apply it on your face, and when you're applying the mask, apply it very evenly, very nicely all over your face. No part of the face should be left. After you have applied this, wait for 15 minutes, let it dry, and then move on to the next step, which is going to be removal.
20 minutes later.
And for removal, I personally like to wet my mask for again with water and then just remove it. And here you are seeing me struggle to remove this mask in front of the camera, which eventually failed. And then I just went to my washroom and just removed the mask. And after removing the mask, as you can see, my skin feels very nice and very soft. My skin is anyway soft. I'm not bragging about it, but yes, I'm telling you the truth. So my skin is already very soft, but it feels softer after applying this mask, so that is a great thing. The mask does not leave my skin dry, but it does not hydrate like how well a moisturizer would. So I usually use a moisturizer after this. Here I'm using my Pond's Light Moisture. This is my holy grail moisturizer. If you have any other moisturizer, you can just apply that. Any moisturizer would work. And now let's read the claims on this box and then see if the mask comes up to all the claims or no. So the first thing written here is deeply hydrates, which it definitely hydrates. It does not leave your skin dry. After some masks, usually my skin is like very dry because like it just rips off all the dirt and gunk, and it leaves my skin dry. It also rips off all the oil. But with this mask, it does not leave my skin like very dry. But yeah, I definitely feel, I sometimes feel like I need a moisturizer, so I use a moisturizer. The second thing is detoxify and brighten, and I totally agree on this. I think it detoxifies all my skin, and like it just takes out everything which is not required on my face, and like any dirt or anything like that. And it definitely brightens. As you can see here, my skin feels very bright, very nice after using this. The third thing it says is protect against pollution. So personally, in 3 weeks quarantine chal raha hai, so I have not been going out, so I can't really comment on that. And the fourth point is tighten pores and boost radiance. Yes, it definitely tightens my pores and boosts radiance. Personally, I haven't feel this on my skin because my skin does not have a lot of pores, but my sister-in-law, my bhabhi, has also tried this mask and she says that it tightens the pores, so that's really good. So there are 4 points written over here, from which I support 2 points totally and I support 1 point partially, and the fourth point I can't really comment because I haven't tried that. And yeah, overall this mask definitely does wonders for my skin and I would repurchase this mask. And while we are coming to repurchasing, let me tell you the price. The price is $14.90, so it is definitely not an drugstore product. It's not something which you can just buy aate jate, but you can give a thought before buying this mask. But my thoughts will tell you that you should buy this mask, and this mask definitely does great for your skin and detoxifying C. algae mask, and it definitely detoxifies. So it comes up to the claims of the mask. And now comes my personal review. So my personal review would be like, if you feel like you want to try this mask and you want to try a different mask, then you should definitely buy it. And if it sits in your budget, it's a very good mask. Definitely go try this out. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload you get to know. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much. Bye guys.